As of now, Earth is the home of about 7.6 billion people and about 1.5 million species of animals, plants, and bacteria. Earth may not be perfect, but it is a paradise. It is our contentment, our happiness, our peace, and our home.
According to the theorist Alan Boss, it is the only planet we know of that has life. However, we are the ones draining its life.
Go visit your landfill. Go see what you're putting in there. See what it looks like when you and your neighbors and everybody else conglomerates their trash. Come to the transfer station, it's closer. See what people are throwing away, you'll be surprised.
Our environment is changing. However, as it changes, we also need to be aware of the problems that comes with it. As disasters worsen and weather patterns suddenly change, we need to be mindful of what environmental problems we are facing.
Did you know that as of September 12, 2018, at around 9:30 p.m., there is around 1,478,556,931 tons of waste globally dumped this year, and still counting. These trashes came from us. The travel of waste starts once it leaves each and every household. Overconsumption of resources and creation of plastics are creating a global crisis of waste disposal. Globally, we throw out about 1.3 billion tons of food a year, or a third of all the food that we grow, and produce approximately 400 million tons of plastic per year. Food is a haven and plastics are a product of human ingenuity and innovation, but too much does not seem like a good thing. Worldwide, our factories now around the world have built thousands of machines that can collectively produce plastic soft drink and water bottles at a rate of nearly 20,000 per second. Let us start from land pollution, industrial activities, domestic waste, not just landfills but deforestation, industrial waste, mining, threat to the public like rats and bacteria.
Aside from the threat of land pollution, another major problem is water pollution. Water is one of our most important needs, yet we dump on different water bodies. Wastewater, sewage, marine trash, plastics and industrial pollutants are contaminating our waters, which may cause the destruction of the ecosystem present, that may in turn kill animals or spread diseases.
Another is air pollution. Did you know that the three main gases that causes air pollution are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide coming from gasoline equipments, aircrafts, diesel, and railroads. Nitrogen caused by transportation vehicles and power plants. Sulfur comes from erupting volcanoes. If not because of us, pollution wouldn't be possible. From all those things, can you imagine what it does to the environment, to us, and to the animals? Who do you think produces the most trash all over the world? Any guess?
First, China. Second, Indonesia. Third, UK. Fifth, Thailand. Wondered who was the fourth? Philippines. The Philippines is one of the 5 countries that produce half of the world's plastic waste. Data from the 2015 study, Plastic Waste Inputs from Land into the Ocean, shows that the Philippines waste 6,237,653 kilograms of plastic per day, of which 81% is mismanaged, claims UN.
According to a study published in Science magazine, the Philippines ranks third in a list of countries with the most plastic floating around its seas, surpassed only by China and Indonesia.
Improper waste disposal is one of the biggest environmental issues here in the Philippines.
Mismanagement of the waste disposal has a serious effect on the ground and surface water contamination, flooding, air pollution, and water pollution. Health security may not be achieved.
Kita yang individual kita tanan kuan responsable ta sa kuha ka na kay una-una sakto nga pamatasan. Siyempre punito na nimo dayon dapat mo na nimo sa basuran.
Dapat kita sa atong pagalingon kay ang kalimpihon ng goal mapuna sa atong pagalingon.
Kita na maligya sabi na dapat mo ni basuran. Pwede ka na. Sa kunsang kuha na lang kay basuran.
Uncollected trashes that clogs waterways and drainage systems are one of the major outbreaks whose effects could be felt beyond the capital. It is a deadly practice.
Ang ilang basura kinahanglan jud ipuson. No, nangamong basura diha na imo kagulingong hilipusan.
Kaplen lang sagpo. Kaya pakuan sa kusada.
Puso ng mga basura. Dahang striktohon nila.
Mensahe na naman para nila kami. Alabay sila mga basura. Mga irresponsable kayo kay kuhan, yan ang limpyo kayo silang lugar kung wala sila kabalong asa na hanok ng mga basura ng ilang ipagabay.
What is the solution? Waste disposal may include things like collection, transport, treatment, together with monitoring and regulation. Proper disposal of waste material helps keep the environment free from diseases causing pathogens and keeps it green. The proper garbage segregation, a process of dividing the garbage like biodegradable or non-biodegradable waste. The 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle, the most well-known methods of managing waste. Composting, the natural process that is completely free of any hazardous byproducts.
Kanang i-educate ang mga constituent to kuan segregate sa ilang waste material, pero gina-encourage na mga tao nga katong malata ila ra gyud i-kuan sa ilang balay dili nila iapig-lapay katuran dili malata.
The environment is dying because of us. We're only good at words, but we've done the worst. If you want our earth to be saved, if you still dream of the next generations to have clean water, fresh air, a good soil to cultivate, and to still see healthy animals and plants. Be responsible. If we know the effects of today's problems, then we should aspire for the best solutions in the future. The earth is where we make our stand.
This is us humans, highest being in the food chain, caring, selfless, loving, but whether we purposely do it or not, there is evil with it. What have we done?